Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make red velvet cake ice cream. So let's get started. So to make the ice cream, in a large saucepan, add the milk, heavy cream, and buttermilk, and heat it over medium-high heat until it just starts to boil. Then in a separate large bowl, beat the egg yolks, sugar, and salt until they become lighter in color. It may take about 2 minutes. Once the milk mixture is hot, add a little bit into the egg yolk sugar mixture and whisk them together until they're combined. Then add in a little bit more. And then add the rest and whisk them together. Then add in the vanilla extract and mix it in until it's combined. Pour the mixture back into the saucepan. And then add a candy thermometer and heat the mixture until it comes to 180 degrees Fahrenheit. You don't want to go past that temperature because the eggs will start scrambling if it gets too hot. So once it's up to temperature, remove it from the heat and then pour it through a sieve into a large bowl. There could be some eggs that may have scrambled, and we pour it through the sieve to get rid of any that have. Then pour the mixture into a large mason jar. And refrigerate it for at least 6 hours until it's cold. In the meantime, you can bake some red velvet cupcakes and some cream cheese frosting. And I have a recipe for both of these on the channel, and I'll link to them in the description box below. Once your ice cream base is cold, pour it into an ice cream machine and churn it for 40 minutes. If you don't have an ice cream machine, I have a video on my channel showing how to make ice cream without one. And I'll link to that video in the description box below. Then once it's chilled, put it into a large container. And then crumble 5 or 6 cupcakes into the mixture. Don't make them too fine, you want big chunks as well. And then gently mix them together. And then add spoonfuls of the cream cheese frosting into the ice cream too. And gently mix them together. Don't mix it completely. You want to keep swirls of the cream cheese frosting in the ice cream. Then cover it with a lid and place it into the freezer for at least 4 hours before serving. And that's how to make red velvet cake ice cream. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.